Hi guys, Hillary here from Hillary Craig Photography and Design. I have been in the business since 2013 and I'm excited to share with you today portrait photography, trade secrets, and finding your unique style. What we're going to discuss today is tips and tricks professional photographers use every day to capture beautiful photos that really stand out. So we're going to go through each of our lessons, whether it's lighting, learning how to manipulate the light to work for you, composition, it's just the placement of visual elements that helps you learn how to frame a shot and really capture the character of your subject. And then we're going to go through camera settings. You could literally have a brand new DSLR, pull it out of the box, put these settings into your camera and take beautiful photos right off the bat. I'm also going to share with you engagement, specifically working with your subject, giving them direction, and really capturing beautiful photos of them. Rather than the typical save cheese, look over here. I want to tell you how to take beautiful photos, and they don't even necessarily have to look at the camera and you'll like the photo. Along with those things, I'm also going to share with you common mistakes people make every day and just the little tweaks you can make to really take those photos to the next level. Also, I will be giving you demos. So whenever I tell you, try this new element, I'm going to show you a little video or a side-by-side comparison of photos to really help you drive it home and realize the difference you can make, just the little tweaks you can make to really improve your photos. I will also demo a couple different lenses for you just to tell you how they work and how they help you to capture a different aspect of your subject. This is my 24-105 wide angle lens. This is my 50mm fixed lens, flash, when and when not to use it, and then I'll share with you a couple other little things that I like to use in capturing my photos and how they help. So there's a lot of information in this course. I believe that I've done a pretty good job in categorizing it so that you can learn about one specific topic at a time and hopefully be able to retain that information. Because it is a lot of information, if this is new to you, I highly recommend taking notes. It's just going to help that information soak in. So when you're out taking photos, you can even take that little piece of paper with you and you can shoot some beautiful photos and be confident behind the camera. That's my main goal. I want you to find your style and have confidence when you're out there taking photos. So whether you are brand new DSLR user or you are a professional that really wants to find your unique style, this course will also be beneficial for those of you with smartphones that just want to improve the overall quality of your photography. I want to invite you to join in our photography challenge that I will go in detail in the conclusion. So enjoy the course. Have a great day.